Hey, look at that. Boy, they don't make signs like this anymore. Look at that thing, way down deep. And you know what else they don't make? They don't make houses like this beautiful stone colonial located right here in the heart of the Lower Merion School District in Bryn Mawr, just minutes from Harriton High School. Welcome to this beautiful Center Hall Colonial. Come on in, let's take a tour. Immediately as you walk in, you're gonna turn to your right, just let all of your stresses go away as you take 2 steps down to this beautiful, expansive, high-ceiling living room with a wood-burning fireplace. But what's even better is as you keep going through these beautiful French doors, you enter this 3-season, unbelievable room with beautiful glass doors looking out to your yard. I don't know about you, but something that excites me a bit is an interior stone wall inside the house. That's really cool, like exposed brick, but yet exposed stone. Now, another choice I have when I first get in is I'll take off my coat, I'll go to the coat closet, and then I'll use the bathroom. And then I might quickly retire to my secret little library in here, which is, just so chill. So we have bookshelves, it's cozy, I could watch TV, I could sit on the windowsill here and just chill out, and yet I feel almost like I'm completely separate, and yet I'm right off the kitchen. And what's super convenient about this kitchen is not only the proximity to the dining room, but also the size of the Sub-Zero fridge, and the fact that as I'm sitting here at the sink looking out into the window, oh, here comes someone, they brought groceries, come on up. They're gonna come right in here and drop them right into the kitchen from the driveway. And what's great off the kitchen, of course, is that you roll right into the dining room, which is lovely. Whether it's a family dinner or a big dinner party serving some wine, it's a very nice, stately dining room with a beautiful chandelier, lovely bay windows. It's charming. And what's really great about this place is that right off the kitchen, looking at the Good Neighbor fence, beautiful, is a walkway to outdoor dining, which is awesome, especially at this time of year, my friends. If you have a pet or a child that you want to make sure you keep in the back of the backyard, there's a fence across the whole half of this property, so that way the back half is fenced in, which is a nice added convenience. This newly renovated basement, completely renovated basement, excuse me, has a giant laundry room, a powder room, a big closet, multiple secret game room storage spaces, and then a mechanical area with lots of storage. No, I'm sorry, it doesn't come with the car, but it does come with this beautiful 2-car garage. Look at the epoxy floor. Lots of bike storage, storage for all kinds of yard stuff. So there's about 3-car parking right here, maybe 1 or 2 in front of the garage, and then about 6 in the driveway. So if you're having a big event, no problem. As you walk up the center stair colonial, you'll just notice the beautiful details in this historic home. And the beautiful, nice navy primary bedroom has a his and her closet, and a completely newly renovated, beautiful bathroom. And they have radiant heated floors, and everything else is brand new. Nice details in the secondary bathroom as well, and the radiant floors. And now someone's retiring to this beautiful bedroom. This is a very large bedroom with a corner window, beautiful, and big closet. And bedroom 3 also has corner windows and is also very nice. I like a closet with a window. Now, bedroom 4 can be accessed from this bedroom or from its own private stairwell right off the kitchen. And bedroom 4 is en suite with its own full bath, fully renovated with radiant heated floors. Something you don't get in new homes is wood, solid doors like this. Look at this beautiful, nice historic keyhole, very cool old handles, all in great shape. And then the bonus is there's a massive attic with lots of space for storage and a really large cedar closet at the end of the attic. I think this house has practically everything you need. A whole house generator, a 6-year-old roof, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, a massive laundry room, finished basement, 2-car garage, 6-car parking, blah, 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 blah. It's amazing. So thank you for touring 322 North Ithan.